MAN Energy Solutions in Augsburg manufactures large combustion engines for liquid and gaseous fuels. Our largest cylinder block weighs over 90 tons and is part of an 18-cylinder engine which weighs a total of 250 tons. In our machining processes, the milling heads and tools are often used inside components that the employee cannot see at all during the process. So it's very important to simulate the process in advance to identify and eliminate potential collisions.
Wir kriegen Daten von der Konstruktion, Zeichnungen und 3D-Modelle.
We use drawings and 3D models from the design department to come up with the processes to manufacture these products. Then we import the tooling data and bring everything into a programming system to create the toolpaths for the CNC machine. We simulate the resulting NC program in Vericut to ensure that the first run on the machine is collision-free. With Vericut, our NC programmers are much more confident in their work. There are fewer near misses on the machine, and you make the most of the machine's capabilities because you can see how it moves beforehand. Using Vericut, we immediately reduced our prove-out times from 8 hours to 2 hours, which has increased the shop floor's capacity. Without Vericut, we risk collisions on the machine due to errors in the NC program that could cost hundreds of thousands of euros. Manually proving out a program means checking each block individually to ensure the program sequence matches the tool paths. This takes up an enormous amount of time and effort. Having Vericut is a huge relief for us because we have high quality and complex parts. It's a huge advantage. After successfully implementing Vericut on over 35 CNC machines, it's no longer a question of if we need it when we buy a new machine. It's automatically part of the purchase.